consider enrolling because it's a fantastic way to fast implement machine learning algorithms in order to support today's business decisions in order to really solve real-world problems effectively and fast. Hello, I am Leonardt from Cologne, Germany. I work as an executive consultant, financial services at CDI company. I have a doctoral degree from Cologne University. My motivation was to deploy no-code AI/ML skills to work more effectively in customer projects and play a leadership role in AI/ML in the financial services sector and AI practices of my current organization. This program exceeded my expectations in every aspect, from the distinguished professors and mentors to the immersive learning concepts, hands-on tools, great support, and engaging projects. A truly distinguished learning experience. My most favorite part of the program was definitely the course's emphasis on projects and case studies. From these projects, you could truly learn a lot and apply the AI/ML no-code tools. It was great to apply them, and I learned a lot as well because of the feedback mechanism that was provided after each of the projects. One thing was definitely that I would like to convince my organization about no-code AI tools and apply them. And this I tried to do, and I'm still insisting on it and repeating on demoing RapidMiner as an example tool of prototyping in order to quickly implement business processes for our customers. And this I want to bring further in our company, and this was a key takeaway, of course. Well, the professors had truly great visions about the upcoming journey. So consider enrolling because it's a fantastic way to fast implement machine learning algorithms in order to support today's business decisions in order to really solve real-world problems effectively and fast.